Yo, what is up, YouTube? How you doing? We haven't had this AM-D12 out in a while, so we did change the connector on it. We're just gonna run it on a 2S 2800 milliamp for now. We did change the connector on this thing, so we were running on 3S, but sometimes we had issues with the 3S dropping out battery wise. I'm not sure if it's the battery, but we have changed the connector out, so we're gonna just mess around with this for 2S. We do got a DIN connector adapter so that we can kind of use some of the batteries that we have left over from some DIN connector ones that I don't feel that it's. I have changed some of the RIaarlo connectors here. I have changed some of these RIaarlo batteries, but I haven't changed that one, and that one has 89. There's a few others over there that are like need to be charged. I'll probably change the connectors out and charge them. Oops, gotta turn it on. Turn the controller on. So we're just gonna mess around with this. We haven't messed around with it on 2S in a while, so we're gonna turn it on. So, all right, we got control. So we haven't messed with this even on the 2S, so we're gonna mess around with it, get some video time with it. But we were running this on 3S, and it tended to have issues where it it drop out. It would cut off. So I don't know if it was just a battery, just bad cell in the battery. I haven't really checked that battery again. But we got we got a 27 tooth pinion in there right at the moment, so we haven't gotten any video on this yet. I mean, a video in a while. So I'm just gonna run it around. I have to find my analyzer though, see if I can find where my analyzers and stuff like that. I did order some 2S batteries though, some Ovonics, so we'll see how those work out. Instead of running 3S on a lot of stuff all the time, because then it gets pretty hot pretty quick and you don't have a lot of fun. But I like to try alternative batteries instead of spending some stupid amount of money for like Traxxas batteries and stuff like that for different vehicles and stuff, and they seem to work pretty good. So but yeah, this has got the 27 tooth in it right now. So we haven't got any issues with it. So I gotta figure out what 3S battery that is, because I know it was doing it to the AMX12. Alright, let's see if we can go. I do want to take this to the beach though. Haha. I definitely like this little guy, man. This is definitely a little. I think there's another color on it, the red one. I think I'm gonna order in the red one. We had the purple one. My wife has the purple one. So I'm thinking about ordering the red one. think the battery's dying out on it. It was at 89%, but I don't know, it might be the ESC though on this thing too. I have another ESC I'm going to replace out, so if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we'll maybe redo the ESC on this thing. So alright, check you out later.